After pouring the candy into the storage bin, the candy is evenly distributed to the elevator hopper through a vibrating disc. Then it is transported to the multi-head where storage bin realize rapid measurement encoding through high precision sensors. Set the parameters on the touch screen, then start the machine. Retrieve bags from the bag dispenser, then transport the bag to a fixed position through a conveyor belt. After the bag detection for the electric checks, the bagging mechanism performs bagging, then use the zipper device to open the bag, proceed to the in-loading station, and simultaneously perform bottom bagging. After the cutting is completed, seal the bag through the sealing station. The packaged bags are conveyed out through the takeaway conveyor. Well, let's take a look at the final packaging effect. The roll film bag is filmed in just not material with a clean and beautiful appearance.